The evidence last time, matatag yun. And saying na may kinausap kang taong handang pumatay sa presidente kahit anong taon, it will always be an impeachable offense. Kung may bagong ebidensyang maihahain ang mga complainants at ang mga endorsers nitong bagong apat na impeachment complaints, it will only strengthen the evidence against the respondent, against the Vice President. So tignan natin kung meron nga. But in NUP, as in any other case, while we are united in many issues together, I am confident that the party will respect the individual stand of its members when it comes to impeachments, especially of the President, the Vice President, and the Justices of the Supreme Court.
Sir, napag-usapan po ba ng party ninyo itong statement before you came out with this?
We have no concrete discussions about the impeachment dahil hindi pa naman nagsimula public hearing. But from what I know of how our party has been dealing with impeachments, nire-respeto nila ang independence ng mga miyembro ng NUP. And I will find out kung totoo ngang may bagong ebidensya at mas makakapagpatatag pa ng impeachment complaint na ito, siguradong may mga susuporta at kung merong hindi sumuporta, igagalang naman namin sila.
Pero sir, nakalagay kasi, party stand na yun eh.
Yes, the NUP will most likely
Not
vote
support,
in favor of this measure kung wala nga po yun.
I have not received explicit instructions from party leadership whether or not we support the impeachment. All I understand is that we will listen to the evidence during the impeachment hearings and we will decide, like every congressman should decide based on his own assessment and personal conscience, whether he will vote yes or not to the impeachment complaints.
Sir, sorry, ano pong value ng statement, bale? Kung kasi nilabas na that the party will not support unless may bagong evidence, pero the party will also respect the individual stand of the members.
I'm sure it has its own intrinsic value pagdating sa partido. Antayin lang natin kung may actual statement na from the party itself.
So it's not a party position? Yung inilabas
Kasi yung nilabas kagabi, sir, NUP.
I'm not aware of any specific party statement or official statement from the party.
So you were not consulted kumbaga,
No.
bago ilabas yung statement
No.
na yun?
I'm just happy that for as long as I have been a member of the NUP, they have respected my independence when it comes to national issues.
Sir, as a prosecutor then, how did you feel when you read this statement?
As a prosecutor, I said I will maintain my position that if the evidence during the previous impeachment, especially the evidence on betrayal of public trust, I will not take back my previous vote during the previous impeachment.
Sir, I don't want to put you or pit you and the party naman. Pero there was a portion of the statement saying na na-discuss na yung mga issue na ito, parang hindi naman na kailangan ma-discuss pa ulit. Do you agree with that, sir? Kasi yung Supreme Court mismo yung nagsabi na it doesn't absolve the Vice President of the allegation.
While the issues were discussed during some of the committees, especially during the Quadcom and the Good Government Committee hearings, these impeachment allegations were never discussed because trial was not conducted by the Senate Impeachment Court. So it will be discussed here in Congress during the deliberations starting March 2.